Alright guys, so if you want to know how you can be able to restore your Facebook page which you have deleted, if you want to know how you can be able to restore them back, pay good attention to this video. I'm going to be teaching you the fastest way you can be able to restore your Facebook page that you have deleted within the interval of 30 days. Just watch this video to the end. Alright guys, so if you want to know how you can be able to reactivate your deleted Facebook page, then pay good attention to this video right now. The first thing you have to do is you go to your Facebook, and you can see at the right hand side at the top you will see 4 dots. You click on that 4 dots. So once you click on the 4 dots, you go to your settings through privacy, then you click on settings. Then once you have clicked on settings, you scroll down, you will see access and control. You click on access and control. Then once you click on access and control, you can see where you can be able to reactivate your deleted Facebook profile or page. Here it is, you can see reactivation. You click on reactivation. So you see this is a page I deleted not long ago. I deleted this page 6 days ago. So you can see I have the option where I can be able to reactivate. So assuming I want to reactivate this page right now, I will just click on reactivate, and boom, it will be reactivated immediately. Thank you so much for watching, guys. So if you find this video interesting, you can do it to click on the share button, send this video to your friends so they can be able to get to see this video and also learn from it as well. Also click on the like button or the subscribe button for me. I still remain your boy, Official Celeb Don. See you guys next time. One love.